Lucky? Lucky, have you been a bad boy? Lucky, come here.
Lucky.
Lucky, what are you doing? You're having a timeout right now.
Yeah, stay in your timeout corner.
You're having your timeout.
Stay there.
You can't go anywhere. You're stuck. Lucky, you know your wrongdoings.
I'm sorry. Hey.
You know your wrongdoings, Lucky.
Don't rip socks.
I know, it's hard. You were just 5 months ago, Lucky, but I understand. I know. You just want to have fun. Yeah. But you can't. No. Lucky! You don't. Don't give me no sass.
What's with the sass, Lucky? Arr.
Yeah, you stay there. You just shut up. You shut your mouth. Have your time out. Let's not pay attention to him. Just don't do eye contact. Shh. No eye contact. Lucky, you like gay and lesbian porn, don't you? Lucky likes porn. Lucky. Lucky like porn? 1 bark for yes. 2 barks for no.
3 barks.
Use a squeaky toy. Use a squeaky toy.
Where's it?
Huh? It's on the floor. His little squeaky? Where is it? Oh. Oh. Okay. So use it. Use it. You give it to him and use it.
Where's that coming from, Becky?
No, he has to use it. I'm recording it. And that's going to be his answering.
Okay.
Okay.
You love me, Lucky. 2 squeaks for you, yes.